5 minutes, you would please, per person. So let's start with pledge allegiance. I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Richard Arp, 4th generation crop and livestock farmer near Kuchia. I'm speaking today on behalf of the Tama County against turbines. Iowa Code 331.301 under general powers and limitations says a county may, except as expressly limited by the Constitution of the state of Iowa, if not inconsistent with the laws of the General Assembly, exercise any power and perform any function it deems appropriate to protect and preserve the rights, privileges, and property of the county, of its residents, and to preserve and improve the peace, safety, health, welfare, comfort, and convenience of its residents. Under Iowa law, Tama County can update its commercial wind energy ordinance at any time to protect and preserve the rights, privileges, and property of the county or its residents, and to preserve and to improve the public health and public safety and comfort of its residents. As supervisors, excuse me, it's your job to protect the public health and safety of all Tama County residents and to protect everyone's property rights. It is not your responsibility to protect the alleged investment claims of wind project developers. Your responsibility is to protect the health and safety of all the people who live in Tama County, not those who seek to exploit our irreplaceable farmland and our public health and public safety for their own financial gain. Today's agenda lists your plans to name your insurance attorney, Carlton Salmons, to represent the Board of Adjustment in a separate lawsuit filed by Tama County taxpayer Heather Neville over their lack of authority under Iowa Code 335.2 to issue conditional use permits to permit industrial wind projects on Tama County farmland, while it is still so used for agricultural use. Carlton Salmons represents you in the lawsuit I filed against you for your unlawful reapproval of the commercial wind energy ordinance May 16th without holding required public hearings. From an ethical standpoint, do you really believe that Carlton or anyone in the Polk County law firm he's part of can represent the County Board of Adjustment in the lawsuit filed by Heather Neville, since he's already representing you as supervisors in the separate case I filed against you? Isn't that a potential conflict of interest? Have you consulted attorney Brent Herron for his opinion on that potential conflict of interest? And if not, why not? Larry, in prior public meetings and again on August 29th, you speculated that if Tama County were to change its commercial wind energy ordinance, the county would be sued by Salt Creek. For what?
I explained that, but I'm going to advise our attorney again and have no comment.
Okay. They haven't constructed a single turbine, they haven't generated any electricity, so they have no earnings. Anything they claim to have invested is a risk they knowingly took. Threatening lawsuits is a common bullying tactic of wind developers. Don't fall for it. Their goal is to keep Tama County's minimal, outdated ordinances unchanged so that they can prey on our people and our farmland to maximize their potential profits. The fact is, wind and solar or other zoning ordinances can be changed at any time, That's the law. Tama County's commercial wind ordinance hasn't changed at all since 2010, and nothing of substance has changed in it since 1998. So much has changed in turbine size, height, speed, noise, infrastructure, and shadow flicker since then. Today's monstrous turbines present greater potential public health and safety risks than those of 12 or 24 years ago. It's important that you understand and correctly convey the facts. Some of you have made incorrect references to Madison County, as they too were bullied by wind developers. In late 2020, Madison County Supervisors passed an ordinance that prohibited wind turbines within 1.5 miles of non-participating landowners, limiting the height of wind turbines to no more than 500 feet. That's 50 stories tall. They also implemented strict noise limits. The 1.5 mile setback followed a Madison County Board of Health recommendation that noted the potential of negative health effects associated with commercial wind turbines. The fact is, although Mid-American Energy sued Madison County on January 20th of 21, after it updated its commercial wind ordinances, the county paid no damages. Mid-America did not seek monetary damages from Madison County. Let me repeat, Mid-America Energy did not seek financial damages from the county. The fact is, Madison County paid no damages. In fact, Madison County updated its ordinances and gave Mid-America permission to proceed with a potential future phase of the Arbor Hill project under the prior ordinances. However, Mid-American announced in late July of this year that it was canceling the proposed 30 turbine Arbor Hill project in Madison County because it was no longer viable. The more that Madison County landowners learned about the potential risks of industrial wind projects, many more landowners sought to be let out of their wind easements. So let me reassure you, Tama County can proceed with what more than 1,000 petitioners are asking, to update the county's outdated commercial wind energy ordinance. Tama County Zoning Board can and should proceed with undertaking a comprehensive update to Tama County's commercial wind ordinance to better protect their public health, public safety, and property rights of everyone in the county. There is no reason they can't proceed with that process, nor should your attorney, Carlton Salmons, be attempting to stifle that process. We are encouraging and grateful to see the citizens serving on the zoning board take action, starting with their public meeting in this room tonight at 6:30 to start the process of updating the commercial wind energy ordinance. With industrial solar developers also preying on Tama County, seeking to take even more prime farmland out of production, we're also encouraged to see the zoning board also to begin the process of updating Tama County's industrial solar ordinance to better protect everyone and our highly productive farmland in Tama County. The citizens serving on the zoning commission are to be commended for taking the initiative to begin the process to update the commercial wind and solar ordinances at the request of people from Tama County. The zoning board's work will help better protect all residents, whether they have or have not signed an easement for a potential commercial wind or solar project. As we've stated each week since April 25th, our coalition stands ready to partner with the county, working with the zoning commission to help inform what taxpayers seek in more comprehensive county wind and solar ordinances to better protect public health, public safety, and highly productive farmland for everyone. Thank you very much.